We just thought this was maybe a good time to ask Mel what was the situation with Myra, Mel. Why did she end up with us?
We just because we saw before her kinder, right? She always go, I mean she go to school, but she's not going to school every day. Most of the time she absent from the school. So me and Chris we talk about her, the situation, and we decided to look after her. Right?
So what was her actual situation? Why did we decide to look after her? What sort of situation
Because
at home was she in?
I feel sorry to her because as a child they need more the mother than the father. Are you agree that?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing my best to her, just to what's it called, like substitute mom. Substitute mom. Yeah. And I noticed to her that since she lived to us, she very happy, you know what I mean, giggling like that. That's what I noticed to her.
And
So we adopt her, guys, but not legally. Yeah. But her dad know about that. About
well, I would have thought he'd known, otherwise he'd be calling the police.
yeah.
So I've told this to my friends. I'm not sure whether I've said it on the video, but her dad has had a stroke.
Yes.
She's got a little brother.
Yeah, around.
Her uncle has had a stroke. Then there's her other uncle and
Yeah,
her
they live.
cousin. They all live together. So it's 4 guys.
Yeah, 4 guys. 4 guys live to
with
their
a
house.
8-year-old girl. Well, she's going on 9. She's 9 in November 26th.
Yeah.
And she's never had a birthday party. She's never had a party cake.
Yeah, I asked her as well about now. Is your dad been? Did your dad take you on the resort? And she said no, because they cannot afford to bring her like
Now,
this.
it's because they rely on the family just to
Yeah.
pay rent and give them food.
They just
They've
rely.
got no spare money. She didn't get money every day. That's why she was so thin. Now she's eating
Yeah,
us
it's a
out
lot
and
of
home.
it's a
My
lot
God.
of changings to her.
She's putting weight on. How much has she put on since she's been with us?
5,
5 kilos.
27 when she started.
No, she's
31.
that's 4 then.
4
4 kilos.
kilos.
Since she's up. I mean, there's no filling her, guys. Honestly, she's gonna eat us out house and home, isn't she, babe?
Yeah. Calm down, especially when she eat. Said, calm down, calm down. No one's gonna get your
You
food.
give us, I give her some money, and she gives me a big hug. Thank you, Kuya Cruz.
Yeah. She's very happy.
And she's very helpful, though. She's a blessing, isn't she?
Yeah. And then some of our neighbors notice about the Myra looks now than before. It's very different. We have a lots of good feedback.
Yeah, they didn't have Christmas parties. They didn't have. She didn't have new clothes. She didn't have school uniform.
She have uniform na, guys, now. So
Yeah,
we can put on the on the video. The last of the video, right?
We'll put it on the end of the video.
And the video.
That's it, guys. We're having a great time, believe it or not. I
Yeah.
wish this was a bit closer. We'd be here every week.
And the reason why we've been out because we're having a power off 6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Yeah, it's getting more and more, guys. It's really annoying.
It's
And
gonna be boring.
plus we don't have any water from about 6 o'clock till 6 o'clock. I don't know why, but the water's going off every day now. It's very challenging, isn't it, babe?
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens. See you tomorrow.
Chris is messing to the kids, guys. We're having a good day here, guys. So this the location of this swimming pool is in Ocampo, Camarines. You can use a Waze map, guys. It's easy to find out because it's our first time as well to come here. We just use a Waze map. So we get this. Gonna do it again. How's the water? Uy! How's the water?
It's very nice. Thank you very much.
Very wet?
It's very nice.
Is
The
it
only
not?
problem is it's going to rain, so we're
not-
going to get very wet.
It's not cold.
It's not cold, no.
Hi guys!
Are you planning to come back here?
Every now and then, yes, but not.
Can you move close here?
Every
please?
now, yes, I can. Every now and then, but not like, you know, every other month.
Every power off?
Maybe a power off, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'd rather go to a resort nearer to us,
Okay.
because there's a couple of good resorts we haven't been to yet.
But this is the first time you've been here, right?
No, it's my third.
No? You liar.
Okay.
So, punta na kayo dito, guys. It's in, Ocampo, Camarines Resort. Nagbiyahe kami ng isang kalahati dahil sobrang traffic. Say hello, Matthew.
Hi!
No.
Hi! Hi guys! Hi guys!
Myra.
Hi!
Myra, I have a question to you. Tigdadara ka ni daddy mo? Nadara ka na ni papa mo sa swimming pool or sa dagat?
No.
No? Even sa room basis? No? My God. I asked her, guys, if her dad take to the swimming pool or beach, and she said no. My God. Did you enjoy, Myra?
Yeah, of course,
Are you
Matt.
happy?
Yeah.
You say to Kiran. Hello, Kiran.
Hello, Kiran. Hello, Uncle Kiran.
Oh my God.
This is Priya. And this is Myra. And this is Matthew.
Are you happy, Matthew?
Yes, we are.
Wow. Do you like the swimming pool?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. What grade are you, Matthew?
6.
6?
Are you
No.
grade 1?
Grade 1. So, just sit down. So why, oy, I'm talking to you. Why when you go home you don't have any star? Why?
Because I grade 1.
Because you're grade 1, you're not kinder anymore. Okay.
Let's go. Hi. Bye, guys. I will go there.
What are you doing?
Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
God, I'm gonna go to swimming.
Do you normally strip off like that?
Mommy.
Oh my God. 62 years old, you want to give me a heart attack?
No.
Why? What are you doing? Wouldn't it be easier to get in on the steps? Only saying. Oh God.
Oh, my salt there. I will kill you if it's wet that.
This is yours?
No, it's yours.
I will come there. I don't
I've already told him about don't jump in next to me in the
Not
camera
you.
because it's not waterproof.
Matnat.
If I drop it, I'm done. There's no more videos.
Wet, Daddy, because
'Cause there's
the
no
camera will
backup.
gonna, wet. So be careful.
This is what happens every time, guys.
What?
It takes forever. Even when we're going out somewhere, she'll go, "Are you ready?" Oh, yeah. So I'm walking outside and then she's in the kitchen doing this, that and the other, freshening the makeup, you know, whatever.
Good.
Yeah, careful, careful. It gets deeper when you go off that ledge.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
There.
Hi, guys.
I don't know. See, no fear, no fear.
It's cold. You said it's warm.
It's not cold.
It's cold.
Go to the UK, you'll know what cold is.
That is not.
Go on,
Oh,
see if,
Myra, my phone there.
go down there, see if you can stand up,
My
babe.
phone. Be careful there.
It's alright, just ignore me and talk to her.
Yeah,
It's
I
okay.
know. It's far.
It's not far.
There's
See, you can stand up.
It's only,
And she's only shorty. Gonna pretend she can swim now, guys. Well, what was it, 2 inches? I don't know.
I think 6.
6 inches. Oh,
6 inches, 6 feet.
no way. So we're gonna finish the video here, guys. It's nearly time to go, another 30 minutes. Excuse
Yeah,
me.
because we don't want to drive Chris in the dark.
No, I hate driving in the dark here because there's some crazy people. So just take in the views, guys. Look how beautiful it is. You can see the sea over there. Well, not on my GoPro, but that's the sea. The kids don't want to go. There was a few other people here earlier on, they've left. There's still a couple of teenagers. But yeah, I'd recommend coming here if you want to bring the family, etc. It's a nice place, very nice place. And of course, like I say, there's a hotel. I don't know what the prices are, but if you want to stay overnight, which I guess if you're in Naga and you're with a group of people, it would be better to do it overnight, wouldn't it?
Yeah, overnight.
I think so. So that's it. It's over to Mel.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video, guys. Bye.
Till the next one, guys.
I thought we could be here forever. Now it seems that we're lost in a memory. 'Cause I've been waiting for excuses. I don't really wanna lose this. Been lying to myself. Girl, you know that I've been through this.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Gladio Atlantian, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlot, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Darther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jem Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Dumaget, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Brett Glazo. Big thanks to all of you.